Hello guys, we are in the Scary Shawarma kiosk. We are playing Scary Shawarma kiosk. Hello ghost. He's not ghost bro. What should we will do this? Actually, short shift. I will come. You leave. You leave. Bro, you leave. Why you leave? Yaar. Bro has leave, bro. Bro has leave. Yeah, you can. You can. You can. You can. Bro, I want to. Bro, I want to. Thank you. Now we will play kiosk shawarma. Yes, we are in the. Okay, there are anomalies. I am not a derpoko. We are in the kiosk. Scary shawarma kiosk. Bro, where is? Here are they. Now we will go our shop in the our shop. Please open.
Welcome to your night.
Oh, what happened? Skip the tutorial. I don't want to because I play yet the. Yes. Now open. Open. Yes, you have opened. Very good. Yes. Why you? Switch is on. Switch is on. Yes. Oh, who are you? Auntie, hello. Hello, Auntie. Oh.
One shawarma and coffee.
Can I see in the cameras?
Doctor's appointments, then shopping. My feet
What?
are killing me.
Understand total 175.
What is this?
I'll pay by card.
She's okay or not? She's okay, I think. Sure, so we will take this lavash. Oh, I can't take this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, close this. Yes.
You just close the window when I'm about to pay.
Bro, what is. She's okay. Bro, this monster is growing up. Please. I am not. Oh, who are you? Brother? Oh my god, bro. Who are you?
And here we are at the Shawarma kiosk trying to place an order. Hopefully this place has some good reviews.
Yeah, because last time you gave somewhere 5 stars and the chicken was literally still moving.
Okay, that's called lava. Right, let's order.
Okay.
2 shawarmas, please.
Oh my god, bro. What?
2 sodas.
Okay.
And make mine extra garlic sauce.
That will be 400.
Worth every penny if we survive.
Put. Can I put? Okay, you can put, bro. You can put. Put? Can I put, bro? Oh, I will. Oh, I will. Bro, you are dumb. Okay, you will. I think she is rolling. 2 sodas. 1 soda? No. What? Yeah. Soda. What? What we forgot? What we forgot? Can you tell us? What we forgot? What can you are doing? Oh, bro. But what we forgot? We not forgot everything. They have lived? Bro, they are lived. I am cooked. I am cooked. Can I am seeing this? Okay. I am cooked. So bye guys. Okay, peace out.